Hey, yo, what you know? Hey, yo, what you know? Hello, everyone. The name is me, Little Crazy, but you can call me Crazy. Now, sort of been a while since I've done a game. Sorry, brain, Fritz. Anyway, so this is Rebuild 3, Gangs of Deadsville. Yes, I know. I should have played the first two first. Blah 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 blah. But that's too simple. That's too easy. Kinda wanna actually, this is the game I already owned. Well, not already owned. I was given this game by a friend, so yeah. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is go into quick play, basically. Hey, it's your boy. Jesus got mad. Help. Ah, fuck. Hey, it's your boy. Jesus God Mac help me. No. Jesus Mac God help me. Yeah. I've had him before. In the story mode. But that's a story for another time. No pun intended. So, we're gonna go in this one. So, I look like that. I'm a gang member. I don't lose happiness from death. And I have a shotgun. The shotgun is the main thing. City name? I don't know. Let's go for it. Okay. I'm not going to lie to you, Jesus. This town's... I'm not going to lie to you, Jesus. This town's seen better days. It's overrun by the undead. No power, no running water, no food except what we can scavenge for or grow ourselves. Okay. Also, that's Dane Moon. She is basically I was about to say a significant other, but more of a soulmate, I guess you can say. Not sure. Drag the map to look at. Drag the map to look around and scroll or pinch to zoom. Don't have pinch, but okay. We're safe in our 5 reclaimed buildings, but the dark ones outside are teeming with the Z. Zombies, not Z. Click building for more information. Okay. Okay. Game. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's go to this one. Start mission. Okay, recruit. Let's go, Mr. McFancy looking. Holy Jesus, your body is so disproportioned. I can see that. Yours is the same thing as... Actually. I think I'm just taking this dude. We'll be fine. Totally. These two. Go do that. Yes. Yes. You. Yeah, also you could go move. Go. Okay. Go food. We need scavenge. You are able to do this, and you are able to do this as a backup precaution. 1.7 days? Jesus. Now everyone... Oh, Jesus. Now everyone is out. Oh. Go. Now we wait. So, how are you? Yeah, things have been really a bit gone. Things have gone to shit, basically. I met up with these other dudes. They're cool and all, but they're a bit of a, what's the term? Sour sprout. They're like, oh God, please, why? Ah! And the other one's like, gotta kill every single one of them. They stole my family. Blah 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 blah. All a bunch of nutcases. Whew. Me, on the other hand, whew, I got bit 5 days ago. Yeah, the virus takes an hour. Ain't I a lucky one? It scratches like hell, though. They're still not done. Let's, you know what? Let's cut. Who's he? What now? Who what? Who ha? Who's he? What now? Ah, where am I? Oh, right. Hmm. How they done faster than us? Hey, we found medicine and materials. What are those materials? I don't know. We found, there's a lot of zombies. Okay. I'll do that afterward. We found medicine. Nice. Now we need to kill some zombies. We gotta send you. We could go alone. Are you sure what he said? Nah, you could go alone. It's not like you get, yeah, basically. So we're still good on the happiness. We gotta think out through the box. Right? Hey, the dudes at the bottom is nearly done. Hey. Apparently, there are rumors going around that we are a bunch of filthy cannibals. Duke and Stuart Williams, the brothers I met while recruiting today, say they heard it from blonde woman who passed through here earlier in the month. Which is bullshit, considering we've been here a day. We've never eaten people. Suburbs and apartment buildings have room for 2 survivors. We're full up, so we need to reclaim more houses. Okay, so we can... Yay, we have more people, and by golly does he look like Bruce Willis. Like, Jesus Christ, he looks like Bruce Willis. Okay. We need more people. We can go east one. At the motel that can. Whew. I need to kill more zombies. Damn. Hey, Duke. Yo, Duke. Since you look like Bruce Willis, kind of. You two can go kill some zombies so you can live there. That and we kinda need to go to. Huh? Oh, click a survivor's name to see their skills and information. Okay. Yo, Broham. That's good defense. Danger. That's pretty good. You're a handyman. Good. Now, me, in the end. I am a high level of... I don't give a fuck. Now we need this. We need to scavenge. So you and you. should be fine. Is there a way to go faster? Oh, it's going faster! Yay! Actually, that helps quite a lot. Actually, we have a lot of plays over here. So we got, hey, we got this one. I don't have any, gunmen. And I was gonna send those, hey, he's back. Hey, zombie killed. Nice. Found materials. Hey, zombie dude's back. Oh my god! Okay, yo, hombre, kill him. Kill. Leave no survivors! Unless they're human. Okay. Okay. Godspeed, hombre. Okay. Okay, cool. We got more stuffish. Let's see. We gotta plan out which one to go for next. Nah. This one, on the other hand. Ooh. Now that's an interesting one. We won't know what's in the building until we send someone to scout it out. Scouting also reveals how many zombies are welling around there and makes the later mission softer. Okay. It's doable. Hey, an intruder. We could go for a hospital. Office tower. That can go for really huge stuff. A trailer park. So this is ours now, right? Yes. Okay. Cookie cutter houses. Ew. I see. Ah, I see. Just in case if anybody's getting too, paranoid? Hey! Fuck spiders back. Speaking of which, I need you guys to go kill these motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm sending Duke Williams with his brother and a second, dude, because they are a bunch of help. That and it keeps him sane. Because if he's away from his brother, like, a lot of times, then that might lead to a bit of a trouble. Understand? I do. Hey, looks like we're still alive. Good start. Remember your goal in Yano is to grow our foot into at least 25 buildings. Oh my god. They're back. So does that mean this one is ours now? Okay, we need builders. So let's send the builders. Also, I'm sending you as a backup. You never know when you need to fight off some zombies. Kill them, please. Por favor. Scavenger. You're a scavenger, aren't you? You're a scavenger, aren't you? Okay, we need to find more places to scavenger. Actually, we go. Send out, motherfuckers. Let's reach a certain limit when they all come back. Or let's get the first goal. So, let's get going. I forgot what I said. The happiness. Everyone is happy. Overview. So far we have 6 people. We had 4 before. Duke Williams. Again, he still looks like Vin Diesel. Zai. Okay. Hey, they're back. How was it? They found medicine. Good. Oh. A hardy looking woman's at the gates. Oh, a haughty-looking woman's at the gates with her wolf dog, her shotgun, and big backpack. He doesn't want to join us. Just asked if we could stay the night and move on in the morning. I'm not sure if we should trust her, but she sure as hell doesn't look like we can trust us either. Let her stay the night. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, over to the traveler shared stories of the world to the south. It doesn't sound like they're far. Oh yeah, faring. It doesn't sound like they're faring much better down there than we are here. And a lot of cities were completely leveled in the fighting. Okay. She and her dog headed north in the hopes that colder winters will slow the zombie down. Okay, see ya. She could be a useful person in the future. Didn't we scout it? Hunt. Scout, that's what it is. Hey, we could go do that. Yeah, who's the winner? Okay. Gustav! It looks like capitalism is still alive and will, even with the undead screwing up what is left of society. A merchant named Gustav has set up temporarily camp and the model just next to our fort. Okay. Where was I? It looks like he has food of all sorts of trade, and even a few more exotic items to boot. His bodyguards are a little intimidating, though. They're to get rough YouTube. Okay. I don't know what that means. Hey, yo, Gustav. Hey, Gustav. Hey, yo, man. Yeah, we're not gonna attack him. I don't know what you had to say, but neither do we. We don't have much to say. Now, you know what? This seems like a good place to stay up. 7. Everyone. Scout. We can let us go. So that's it. Anyway, guys, that's basically the end of the video. If you like it, leave a comment down below. Tell me what did good, what did bad, what need to improve on. Hey, I remember you. I was checking the Wax Hall with Max Adler. I have no idea how to pronounce his last name. It's weird. When out of nowhere, he started saying, "Vegan! Vegan!" and ran for the gate. There was nothing out there but zombies. Then I understood. Max had recognized one of them. A relative, I guess, from the way he reacted. I caught up in time and held him back so he wouldn't open the gate and run out there to them. Ooh. I'll have to ask him what he wants to do with him. Max stammered and stammered with tears well up in his eyes. He seems like he can't decide whether to run out there and embrace the zombie or open fire. It looks like we have to decide for him. Well, shit. So anyway, guys, that's basically the end of the video. If you like it, leave a comment down below. We will decide next time. Next time on Deadsville. Kinda. So, actually. Copyright, sort of. Stop! So anyway, actually, comment down below what you think we might do. Because I don't know what about. Because I don't know what we can or can't do. Because this seems really interesting. It's all a bunch of psychological stuff like that. Do we make him kill? Do we make him kill it? Kill it, or we kill him for him and let him decide whether or not to cope with it or not. So anyway, yeah. So anyway, keep smiling. Don't forget to be a little crazy and hasta luego.